The surfaces of structures and mechanical components are often subjected to significant loads, corrosion, heat, or abrasive wear. These influences frequently result in substantial costs for repairs or replacements. However, there is a proven method to significantly enhance the technical performance and lifespan of virtually all materials: thermal spray. This process has been tested extensively and is continuously being refined by the specialist at Fraunhofer IGP. Thermal spray works by melting the coating material into droplets using an energy source, and then propelling it onto the surface of the component using a spray gas. There, it bonds with the roughened material, forming a mechanically adherent coating. Thanks to a variety of torch technologies, virtually every material combination is possible. This enables us not only to extend the lifespan of components, but also to realize specific functions, such as thermal insulation. We develop custom coatings tailored to our customers' individual requirements, enhancing and refining their component surfaces. Each coating undergoes a rigorous testing process, including precise surface analyses, assessment of coating quality, surface hardness, and mechanical tests, ensuring the highest quality of our work. The thermal spray process is highly configurable, accommodating both small-scale productions and large coating projects, such as those in the manufacturing of offshore monopiles, significantly extending the lifespan of components. Whatever challenges you face with your surfaces, the experts at Fraunhofer IGP will collaborate with you to develop the optimal coating solution.